What's up guys, Trey here with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're checking out the Next Step Performance Muffler Delete Axleback Exhaust designed to fit 2015 and 2023 Mustang EcoBoosts without active exhaust. This is worth a look for Mustang owners who want to enhance their car's sound profile with a louder, more aggressive exhaust note while reducing weight compared to the stock system. This Axleback exhaust system is designed to deliver a raw, aggressive exhaust note that significantly amplifies your Mustang's tone. By removing the factory mufflers, this system reduces back pressure and potentially giving you some enhancement in performance along the way. The straight-through design promotes better exhaust flow, creating a sharper, more pronounced tone that's sure to turn some heads. So all in all, it's going to eliminate those restrictive factory mufflers for improved efficiency and give you some weight reduction. This system features mandrel bent stainless steel tubing for enhanced durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring it can withstand the harsh road and weather conditions. It also comes equipped with polished dual exhaust tips that not only enhance performance, but add a sleek aesthetic touch to the rear end of your Mustang. Now, as far as pricing goes on these, it's coming in right in that lower $300 price range, which is a very reasonable price point for the boost in exhaust flow and the impressive sound that it's gonna give you. Installing this Axleback exhaust is straightforward, and it's designed to be a direct bolt-on replacement for the factory system. No welding or drilling is gonna be required, and all the necessary hardware is included. So on our difficulty meter, we rate this a pretty simple 1 out of 3 wrenches, and the job should take you about 2 hours to complete. Now, let's check out exactly how this kit goes on your Mustang with an install video from one of our AmericanMuscle.com customers.
So the tools you need for the NXT Step Muffler Delete Kit for the 2022 Mustang Convertible. You need a Sawzall with a 6-inch or however long metal blade, tape measure, marker, a 15mm socket and a wrench, and of course some jack stands and a jack. And I just used some glass cleaner to glue up the hanger for the muffler. Today I'm installing a NXT Step Muffler Delete Kit on a 2022 Mustang Convertible EcoBoost. First thing we gotta do is measure where the pipe is going to be cut on the factory exhaust. So I've got the car jacked up, jack stand. There is extra bracing on this one, so it's harder to see where you need to be, but there's a bracket holding the exhaust pipe in right here. And you want to measure from the corner of that 11 3/4 inches to around the pipe. And I'm gonna try to do this with a GoPro here. Attach that to my hat. So we want to put it right on the edge, kind of bend the tape measure over and find 11 3/4 on the pipe. And then we want to mark that. To where we want to make our cut, and the other exhaust piece is going to slide onto there. So let me grab the Sawzall and get that cut out. A Sawzall with a 6-inch metal blade. Pull that stock muffler out there. All right, let's grab our new NXT Muffler Delete Kit. Put the clamp on there, not forget that. There we go. In there. Always time for lubrication. Let's get the sleeve in. Slide the new pipe over existing pipe. And see if we're lined up here. All right, so we got that in place. And we're gonna need a 15mm socket to tighten that up. Get it hand tight for now. All right, we got that. Got your clamp on there, nice and tight. Let's go ahead and move to the other side. These brackets are definitely harder to see with the convertible bracing here. Right here, we're gonna get the edge of the metal. And bend it around, tight. And we're gonna mark it at 11 3/4. All right. Pull off the existing muffler off the hook. There we go. All right, got your nice open spot. Cut pipe here. Lube up that hole like we did on the last one. Get our other pipe and our clamp here. All right, get that into the hole. Let's get our clamp on here. Make sure that's lined up. Looks good. Get our clamp. And then tighten that up. There we go. Let's get this baby on the ground, test it out.
All right, that's gonna wrap things up for our review and install of the Next Step Performance Muffler Delete Axle Back Exhaust for the 2015 to 2023 Mustang EcoBoost without active exhaust. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.